Hi everyone! Welcome po sa ating live update about the graphic designing course. Kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng paraan para mapalakas ang iyong creative skills or gusto mo ng career shift, then this is for you. Dito sa ICSA, we offer a complete graphic designing training using industry standard tools tulad ng Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, at marami pang iba. This course will teach you not only how to design, but how to think like a designer, how to make your design more appealing, impactful, and relevant sa target audience. Alam niyo ba na ang demand for graphic designers continues to rise year after year? A study by Creative Pool revealed that the creative industry is one of the fastest growing sectors. Lalo na ngayon na digital platforms are booming and brands need great visuals to stand out. In fact, LinkedIn has reported that the demands for graphic design professionals is increasing globally. Many companies are actively hiring designers for marketing, advertisement, and social media campaign. And guess what? Even freelancers are getting high-paying gigs because of these in-demand skills. What's special about our courses? Bakit sa ICSA? Well, we don't just teach you tools. We also teach you how to think creatively. Each lesson is designed to help you build a solid portfolio, which is one of the most important things you need kapag nag-apply ka sa job or even when you start freelancing. The course is very hands-on, so you'll be creating actual projects from designing logos, social media posts, to complete branding packages. Gamitin mo lahat ng natutunan mo sa paggawa ng mga projects na talagang may value sa mga potential employers or clients. So, kung gusto mo mag-start ng career sa graphic designing or mag-boost ng skills mo, ICSA is the right place for you. We're here to help you achieve your goals and set you up for success in the exciting world of design. So, enroll now. At para sa mga katanungan nyo, pwede nyo po i-message ang aming WhatsApp number sa caption sa itaas para ma-assist po kayo ng ating mga student consultant. And muli, ako po si Ms. Murdia, student consultant ng ICSA, na nagsabing ICSA, your partner in success.